Being 14 is not just about school, friends, or crushes. It's way more than that. If you're 13, 14, 15, or even 18, you might need this video too. Hello people, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm Afni and we are here with a new video. If you are new here, hello. If you have been waiting, thank you so much. I know it's been so long since I've posted, but consistency button on ho chuka hai. So yeah, let's begin to the video because these 14 lessons are not what you expect. Lesson number 1. You don't need to wait to be older to start building your dream life. You have to just begin doing the work you're interested in, gain the knowledge, take classes, and just start doing it because the thing you're passionate about can be your dream career or make your dream life. So yeah, let's begin from now only, and you can join me in this growth because I'm also exploring myself and you are too. So let's do this together and subscribe to the channel. Lesson number 2. School toppers don't always win. I want to show you something. There is a girl जिसने अभी Twitter post डाली थी maybe a month ago, and in which she's saying that she has all the medals, she has certificates, great marks in her academics, but now no other company is giving her internships. Being topper is cool, but that really doesn't mean that you're going to be successful in the life. Lesson number 3. Work smart, not hard. मतलब क्या? 2 hours of focused studies are much better than the 10 hour of hustle. It's not about the laziness, it's about the efficiency, It's about the delegation also. When you need help, you can take help from others, such as just hiring an editor and do it in 2 hours rather than just 5 hours of hustle again. So yeah, overworking is not the flex, but the results are.
Lesson number 4. It's okay to be insecure sometimes. You, me, everyone is insecure. The one you admire the most is also insecure about something you're not aware of. There are some things which cannot be changed and we should accept them rather than just ranting about them. Maybe something which you're insecure of, someone is grateful for. So just stop comparing, start building yourself. Lesson number 5. Being alone isn't lonely. Look, I'm not giving you any sad girl vibe or something. I'm just saying that being your own friend is very important. It's like sitting alone, doing journaling, listening to calm music in the night. When you're giving time to yourself and just spending the beautiful hours for yourself, it is called self-awareness. When you are doing things for yourself, for your mental well-being, for your beautiful life. Lesson number 6. Brain rot is real. Do trust me on this. Even I didn't believe it earlier, but I noticed this. After just scrolling for 10 minutes, I am so drained, I am so tired that I cannot even sit and start working, which is not acceptable because it is so simple to understand that your brain is consuming lots of things in just 10 minutes, different genres, different kind of videos. I cannot tell you to stop using social media because even I can't. So I would just tell that we can reduce the amount of consumption and just increase our productivity more.
Lesson number 7. Go out on your own. Beautiful experiences just for you. Air, you, and your work. It is magical, trust me. And I have no words to explain this beauty when you go out on your own just for a small walk, but it's fulfilling.
Lesson number 8. Never talk down to yourself. If you have listened about law of attraction, which I am a big follower of, when you talk down to yourself, you attract negative thoughts, you attract negative words, which is, not the vibe we want. That connect us with our next lesson, which is blaming others. Show how unhappy you are. Basically, when you are happy in yourself, you never tell wrong to other person. You never talk ill about anyone else. When someone is happy in their own किसी और के बारे में बुरा बोलेगा. That is so simple.
Lesson number 10. Productivity is not equals to your worth. Listen up. Just because you're taking breaks, that really doesn't mean that you're falling behind. People say if you're not busy, तो तुम successful नहीं. But that's not the truth, right? So stop measuring yourself from any to-do list, checklist or Google Calendar. Okay. Just know that how you treat people, what are your values, how you treat yourself, how you show up for yourself every time, वो दिखाता है that what is your worth. Now we have 11th lesson, which is waking up early is actual magic. Okay, someone is sounding like Dadima, but trust me, it's beautiful. Even, let's be honest, even I procrastinate. It feels like main character vibes, you know. And it's like doing journaling, you get time to study, you get time for self-care, pampering and all. Jo karna hai karo, guys. I mean, no one is watching you, just go ahead. So we'll be making a video out of that. If you want to see such kind of thing, comment down below and yeah, we'll be doing that for sure. Lesson number 12. Energy is more important than time. सुनने में deep है, but it's very very simple. You have to do 4 hours of work and you have no energy. Do you think you can do the work? No, not at all. When you are having high energy, when you are having low energy, learn about them and work accordingly. Trust me, your work will be more better, faster and smooth. So yeah, like energy is like Wi-Fi. Energy is like a Wi-Fi. You move, rest, work. When you're at the right energy, your work is powerful. Lesson number 13. Confidence is felt, not shown. We think confidence needs to be shown, it's loud, it's going to be powerful and we have to walk like this, we have to talk like this. No. Confidence is when you feel powerful inside you. You are confident enough to showcase your thoughts, your opinions, and you're confident for your body and skin, who you are, what you're doing. Lesson number 14. It's in your hand. That sums up all the things I have told till now. All the lessons come in this. Whatever you do, what you think, what you are planning up to is in your hand. You have your career, you have your future, you have the decisions. You have to make all of them and do everything. So just enjoy the life and go ahead.
On that note, we are at the end of our video. This was quite personal. I hope आपको पसंद आया हो. If so, then subscribe to the channel for such content and you can comment down which type of videos you want on my channel. Share with one person you think need this and I hope to catch you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye and take a chill pill, bro.